Are you sure he's up here?
He's there. Right, you can't get him.
Right, now just be nice. James, darling, I hope you're not sulking because that is not the boy I raised.
We saw you arguing with Kyle.
Me being utterly humiliated? Lap it up.
Oh, darling.
We're family and we're worried about you.
Yeah, well, don't be. It means nothing to me anymore.
You know, you're sitting here sulking like a love-struck teenager. Anyone can see that that boy means something to you.
We had our difficulties. I really thought we were onto something. Anyway, what do you two care?
Listen, Mum and I have been talking.
We're having... it's just that, well, we're having a little soiree tonight. And I need someone with impeccable taste to tell me repeatedly how glorious everything is. You know, fine dining, a few glasses of delicious Merlot, and that broken heart will be mended lickety-split.
Look, I'm sorry, I've got to meet a client in Manchester. It's an emergency.
Oh, we will see you later, won't we?
Nothing could stop me.
Oh. Well, I think that went rather well.